Alright guys, so tonight I'm doing another makeup tutorial that's going to have you asking the question, why so serious? That's right, we're doing a Joker inspired makeup tonight. All you're going to need is some liquid latex, some tissue paper, glue stick, white face paint, black face paint, some red, some blood, some scissors, and brushes. Pretty simple. Alright, let's go ahead and dive on in. Alright, now that I'm all prepped, makeup removed, hair pulled back, we are ready to get to it. So I'm going to start off with my little glue stick here, and we're going to do this on the eyebrows to try to conceal my eyebrows since I'm doing it all over face paint. This is actually the first time I've done it all over face paint. So pretty excited about it. So just going over the eyebrows. I gotta let this dry. Sorry, you can't really see on the side. Alright. So, let that dry. Do a couple layers of that. And once that we get that done, we're going to do our mouth. So with that, once I start applying it until it's dry and I can cut into it, I'm not going to be able to speak. So you're going to want to do, take tissue paper and pull it in half and then pull little sheets like this apart. We're going to do 4 layers on each side with the liquid latex. And once that's dry, we're going to cut the corners to make it look like the Joker's fudged up mouth. And then we get to paint all over the face, so it's pretty exciting stuff. I have to speed this along a little bit here. Got my blow dryer in hand. Put a little bit of concealer on it. It's a good look for me. So I did my half a burnt face makeup, which kind of was a Two-Face inspired makeup, so I said, what the heck. Heath Ledger was, in my opinion, the best Joker. Sorry if you don't agree with me on that, that's fine. We're all entitled to our opinions, but he was absolutely amazing as a Joker, and his makeup was amazing too. So here we are. All right. But, you know what, I'm not going to put concealer on because I'm just going to slap some white face paint over that, so I think that might be fine. So it'll dry a little bit more as I'm doing the mouth here, which I'm going to dive into now. So like I said, I'm not going to be able to talk for a few minutes here, which is fine. We'll just speed on through that. Be very careful while doing this. So we're just cutting a little slit in. And I'll mess with that later when we start doing the mouth. We'll cut out a little bit more here and just gonna get it enough. All right. It's kind of gnarly. All right, so now we are going to do our white face paint. Yay! The exciting part here. Sorry. All right. Ooh, liquid latex stuck to me everywhere. Like always. Alrighty, so I already got my face paint out. Ooh, that's cold. So I'm just gonna put it all over, avoiding around the eyes because we're gonna do black there. Woo! Making a mess. It's like I'm drooling all over myself now. Putting that in. It's a nice look for me. Alright. Start to come together. All right, well, that's pretty good. Oh, this is in my mouth there. I feel like Mrs. Doubtfire. All right, so now we're going to do the black around the eyes. Doesn't have to be perfect because it was not perfect in the movie. I do want to get enough on there. And kind of spread it down a little bit into the white. Kind of hard to talk with my mouth like this. Very quiet video. Try not to get it in my eye. run it out a little bit here. Huh. Looks pretty cool. Alright. So you're good on the eyes there. Wait. A little more there. Why so serious? That was... I don't do impressions. Alright, so we're gonna, before we start putting the red in, we're gonna cut a little bit away here on the edge. Open it up a little bit. I'm gonna leave that. Some of that white out of there. And try to open it up a little bit more. Alright. There we go. I don't know what that sound was, but we're gonna roll with it. So cut a little bit more. There we go. And it's pulled down a little bit on that. Alright. Might need to do a little touch up on the white. Alright, so I'm going to start. I'm going to make this a little bloody too. So I'm going to start with my red eyeshadow crap that I have here. Just paint all up in it. Get a little on the outside here. And open that up a little bit more. Might cut some of that away. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut a little bit more away there. Oh, maybe not. That might work. That might work. I like that. Alright. Now I'm going to take my blood. We're just about done with this. Right here. And so I'm just going to take a Q-tip. Take a Q-tip here. Stick it in. I'm just going to stick it in the crack there. In the cut. Oh well. Got a little bit gory. Smearing it all up there. Oh, it looks badass. I'm just gonna kind of spackle that around a little bit. Alright. I'm not gonna have the green hair, but I have something else, so I'll be right back with the final look. All right, guys, there you have it. Pretty easy, quick, simple. Joker. All right, guys, until next time, have a good night.